Hi, my name is Mark Stevens. I want to say thank you so much for taking a look at this video. I'm a video marketing specialist for garage door companies. And as you know, owning your own garage door business, you want to be everywhere and you want to dominate your market search on the internet. One of the things that we basically do is we basically get video, just like with what you're seeing right now, but we do it in a way that nobody else is doing right now in the market. Example, wouldn't it be cool if somebody typed in garage door repair, we'll say Alabama, or garage door repair Alaska, or garage door repair San Diego, or garage door repair Covina, and you came up on the first page of Google. Now, I'll give you an example. If you look right here, there should be an example of what we do. The great thing with what we do is we basically get your video on the first page of Google so people will want to click on your video. But that's only half the battle. Now, if we get your video to be clicked and then also get people to call you, guess what's going to happen? Your phone's going to start ringing and your clientele, of course, is going to go up. We also combine social media marketing with video. If you'd like to get more information on exactly what we do and how we do it, what I'd like you to do is give me a phone call. Or you can also take a look at socialmediaandvideo.com. You can take a look a little bit with some of the companies that we've worked with. Please give us a call at 909-528-4079. Again, my name is Mark Stevens. Have a great day. God bless you, and I look forward to hearing from you.